YouTube. I bought a throttle housing and a pull start for these motorized bike engine kits. And I've already unboxed the throttle. This is how it came. The housing, got the kill switch and the other grip as well. So that's how it came. I've already unboxed that. Just didn't have the camera at that time. And this should be the pull start. I haven't actually undone it yet, but I thought I'd get out the camera just to do these, because I tried to look one up and there is no videos of them. So yeah, thought I'd make one because I really wanted to know about them before I actually bought it, but there was no video, so I was like, well, I might as well make one when I get it. So it comes out with that. Really quite well boxed, to be honest. Yeah, so. Yep, that's it. So after you do that, you get here. Then a snap lock bag. Looks really good, to be honest. In the photos it looks a little bit nil, but that's alright. Yeah, so that comes out. That's what I believe connects to the magneto. Yeah. Yeah, it's really recoil. That's really good, to be honest. It's actually a bit better than what I thought. Oh yeah, there's catching some things. Yeah, so what I think, yeah, it just goes like this, and then that connects into the magneto, and then yeah, it spins it. Alright, so I'll go over to my motorized pushy and oh, that was heard and twice, but that's alright. I'll see if I can install it. I'll end this video now. Okay, YouTube, I'm back again. Yeah, that bolt took a lot to get off. Oops, sorry, that bolt took a lot to get off. I had to bloody tighten my clutch to the hull, and then that was still slipping. So I chucked a Allen key in between, like the the gears, so it would actually stop moving. Is actually a bit of lighting. No, don't worry about it then. Alright, so what we do now, we get this piece here for the pull start kit, and then you slide it on in here, and the bolt should slide through here. And then you get the bolt. Wait a second, I'm just going to put that in there, and I'll do it up. Is that even on? Nope. Okay, I'll do it by hand. Okay, so now put it in the mode. I have to do that key thing again now. Wait, I'll get stuff. Go out of the way. Good. Right, there we go. Another bolt spot. Well, I understand. You put this over that. Clip it into position. Oh, well, it's going to clip into position, but I got a washer on here, and it's hitting straight. See if I can just complete. Of course, you probably won't have to do that, because I've got a dodgy ass fix anyway. It still fucking hits. What a grump. Oh no, I'll fix it. That's alright. Right, so then you get these bolts and you put them in. Let me only get if you want. Oh, there. Is that even? No, it's nice. That's what this was. And it is. see what I'm doing now. Just do it both. See if okay, click in here. Yep. This one. So you can't see, I'm a big head. This one went there, I think. Sorry, I'm not the fastest doing that bounce, but there we go. So as you can see, pull it. Get a hold on it. Oh, hold on, what's the other thing in there? I don't think. Wait a second. It's hitting some. Yeah. Let's see what's hitting. I think it's on the bolts in there. Right. Right. That's annoying. Fuck. Well. Once again, I'll get back to you. I'll probably put a spacer on it or something, and I'll see if I can get it to work. And then when I get back to you, I'll tell you what I did to make it work. You jump back again. The pulls that's on, what I had to do is remove the spring washers that were before the like, you know, where the magneto screws, what screw the magneto on. I had to take off the spring washers and then put up the gasket on. That made it good enough. But if you wonder why I'm puffed out, my engine has a lot of fucking compression, I've just realised, even with the clutch in. So when I pull it, I'll just show you. Oh shit. Yeah, it's a good view. I'll pull in the clutch and I'll pull on it, but it's got lots of compression, so what I'm thinking is put some more gaskets in between this bit here, because that's gonna make it have less compression. But yeah, it works good. If it didn't have so much compression, it'd be a lot better. But yeah, it's working. So yeah, I'll get back to you and see if I can get it to work properly. Bye. Hello YouTube, I'm back again. I finally got it to work. Let's check if that's a good angle. Yep. I finally got it to work. I had to create 2 extra gaskets to go on here. Cardboard ones. Doesn't matter. But cardboard, like more gaskets, can make less compression. Less compression can cost you power. But I spent money on it, so I don't care. I want it to work. So, and I'm not really a speed freak. I don't care. I'll show you it works. So it's still got quite a bit of compression, but if you get some muscle in it, just go on. I'll go. My carburetor never used to rev hard at all, so